Settled residential area. Home did not flood in 2016 Great Flood. All works completed by licensed professional contractors. Interior completely painted. New carpet in the hall and each bedroom. New tub shower combo in each bathrooms. New architectural shingle roof. New water heater. Schwartz installed in 2014, inspected and serviced in 2021. Appliances to remain: refrigerator, microwave, washer, freezer and stove. XL storage building with roll-up door inside entrance. Storage wired to the home alarm. Foundation inspection. Custom security alarm system has its own communication device. No landline is needed. This wireless communication device is leased. Alarm works without device. Wireless device can be returned before purchase of home, if new owner prefers a landline or doesn't wish for system to be monitored. Monthly cost is $28 if device is kept. Monitoring without device with a landline is $21.50.